Hi everyone, this is Omar and you are watching me on Infinix Learning. In this video, I want to quickly talk about a very useful function in Microsoft Excel, and that is the freeze pane function. What is the freeze pane function? So let's learn this by using an example. In front of you is an Excel sheet with some data, and this data goes all the way down several rows. Now the problem is when I am looking at this data, if I move or scroll down, I don't know what this row represents. I don't know what these rows tell me because the header is gone. The way we can fix this is by freezing the pane or by freezing the top row. So how do you do that? It's rather simple. So you go to your View tab in the menu and you find the freeze pane button and you click on freeze pane and you can simply freeze the top row. Just click on this and here you go. Your top row is now frozen. As you scroll down, you can still see your top row being visible, so you can easily read the data in front of you. Well, let's look at the other sheet. Now in this sheet, this data also extends all the way to several columns on the left side, as you can see. Now if I am reading this data, I would be totally lost because I don't have my headers, but I also have some important information on the first row. This is the markets in which my company operates, and then I have my annual and quarterly information, my annual and quarterly sales information. I will not be able to read this data if I am scrolling down and scrolling left. So in this situation, I would like to freeze both the headers and the first column. Now how you can do that? This is simple. You will first click on the cell at which you want your freeze pane to apply to. You want to click on the cell which is the first cell which you do not want to be frozen. In my example, it is this cell B3. I want the rows above row number 3 to be frozen, and I want the columns before column B to be frozen. So I'll click on B3. Then I will go to the View tab in the menu bar. I'll click on Freeze Pane and I will just click the first button, which is Freeze Pane. Click that. That's it. Columns and your rows are frozen. Now if you scroll down, you can still see the headers. If you scroll right, you can still see the country names. And this makes reading the data very easy and simple. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to put that in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video.